Welcome, geometry students, to class today on this Friday, the 30th. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're ready to take a quiz today and go over some math. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, you have a test on Tuesday. That's kind of a shocker. We had not talked a lot about that, but I've decided to go ahead and give you the review sheet today and Monday, and let you guys work on that for a couple of days and turn that in Tuesday for 5 bonus points, okay? So the test on Tuesday, you need to turn in page 456, these numbers here. Please make sure your name is on your homework. Go ahead and turn that in now at this time, please, if you would, okay? Go ahead and turn this in now, please. Incompletes, let's take a look at your incompletes that we have going on. This was given last Thursday, Jordan. If it's not turned in today, it will be a permanent 0. This was given last Friday, Jaden, Cody, and Jaron. If it's not turned in, you will be given a permanent 0. As in terms of test corrections, I now have 6 people: Jordan, Grace, Anna, Brandon, Libby, and Sarah have turned in their test corrections, so everyone else will have a permanent 0 on these, unless they're turned in today. Remember, test corrections, you must turn in your test with your test corrections, okay? Alright. This was given on Tuesday. Jaden, Cody, and Katie, I never got this assignment. It needs to be turned in by Friday, or it will be a 0. And this was given on Wednesday. And I did not get that from Jaden, Jordan, Cody, Anna, or Katie, okay? And so that needs to be turned in. Actually, I'll probably give you until next week for this one, because I'm just now telling you it wasn't turned in. But anyways, these assignments need to be turned in, so there's the incompletes. Remember, students, if you miss a day of class, you go to this website here and you watch the videos. If you come into class after missing a day or two and we're taking a quiz or a test, you will take the quiz or test, okay? It is your job to stay on top of your videos. We're going to take a quiz today and then work on the review sheet. That's the schedule for today. The review sheet for today is page 461, 9 through 40. Oh, that's 31 problems. And then also 22 more problems, or 23 more problems, okay? So, page 462, 1 through 23, so it's a big review sheet. I'm going to give you the rest of the class period today after the quiz is over, and then I'll give you Monday's class period also to work on this. It's a lot of math, but I am giving you 2 class periods. In fact, let's talk about this. It's great to go home and have no homework, so please work hard today when your quiz is over, and try to get as much of the review sheet done as you possibly can. And then students, you're welcome to work on the review sheet over the weekend if you want to, but remember, I'm giving you class time on Monday, so if you do that and you have nothing to do on Monday, please bring something to work on Monday, okay? Alright, moving on. The help video is called Geometry Track 2, Chapter 8 Review Sheet. Geometry Track 2, Chapter 8 Review Sheet. And start the video at 4:46. Okay, start the video at 4 minutes and 46 seconds. Now, before we take the quiz, let me quickly go over what fill in the blanks will be on the test on Tuesday. Okay, so here it is. On your test on Tuesday, you'll have to know these definitions here and these theorems. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go on to the next page, so you'll want to pause the video, let everyone write this down, Miss Chambers, and then restart the video when they're done, okay? I'm going to go ahead and move on. You'll have to know these definitions here. Also, circle, radius, diameter, circumference, central angle, and sector, okay? So it's your job to know all of these definitions also, okay? I'm going to move on, so pause the video while the students make note of this. And by the way, guys, you don't have to copy the definitions down. You have those in your notes already. Just make note of the words that you need to know the definitions of. Okay, let's go over your quizzes now. If you'll look at the quiz I've given you, it's exactly what I said. Numbers 1 through 6 are find the areas. If it looks like a rectangle, it's a rectangle. If it looks like a square, it's a square. If it looks like a rhombus, it's a rhombus. Hard to say right now. Number 1's a rectangle. Number 2's a square. Number 3's a triangle. Number 4's a parallelogram. Number 5 is a rhombus. And number 6 is a trapezoid. So find the area of those 6 figures. Then number 7, find the area and circumference of that circle with a diameter of 12, okay? That's basically it. I really can't make that any easier to explain. So there are that's the quiz information, okay? So hopefully you're ready for this quiz and hopefully you studied. That's it, guys. Have a good day. Contact me if you have any questions.